Hi, and welcome to the first lesson of the Simple Business Builder tool. I am really excited to help you guys dig into this. So I hope you've got your three things down. In the intro video, I asked you to do three things. I asked you to find one place in your business that's working really, really well. One place in your business that's working, but you wonder if there's a better way to get those same results. And one thing in your business that just is not working. So here's what you're going to do. And really quick, let me tell you about this acronym SIMPLE. It splits into systems, infrastructure, mentors, people, something you love, and something that excites others. And each lesson is going to cover one of those letters, one of those words, and tell you how to apply that to your business and to these three areas specifically. So let's start with systems. Look at that thing that's working really, really well. Even if you haven't gotten a system down, even if you are not systemized completely and know exactly what the procedures are of what you're doing in that area that's working well, you have a system, or it wouldn't be working. The system might be something you just do naturally, but this is what I want you to do. So I want you to look at that area and say, okay, what are the steps that happen when that thing occurs in my business that seem to work really well? Is it you contact somebody and then start the ball rolling on producing a certain object or a certain product or a certain service? It could be a lot of different things. And you know, systems are part of every successful business. And a lot of times people get so focused on what the system is that they forget why. The reason you have systems is to make your job easier, to get the same results in a way that's duplicatable, in a way that's scalable, and in a way that saves you time and money. Systems in effective businesses are split into three areas: sales, delivery, and follow-up. How do you find the clients that want the solution you offer? How do you deliver that solution to them? And how do you keep them engaged so you've got a community that grows? So whatever area it is in your business that's working really well, take some time to write out a timeline of what it is you do so that you can see the system that makes it work well. Now, I want you to go and look at that one area where maybe you could do things a little smarter and you're wondering if you could do things a little better. Let's look at systems. What is it you're doing and where do you spend the most time? Because that's probably an area that you could systemize better. Now look at that area where you're struggling. Do you have a system at all? If you do have a system, where does it fall apart that you're not actually leading to the results? Or are you so stuck on what the system is, you forgot that the result is the goal? The most effective systems in your business are systems that are focused on the result you want in your business. Not systems that are nice to have, not technologies that someone else told you you ought to be using, not spending time in ways that other businesses say, well, I did this and it worked for me. The most effective systems are the systems that work for you to get the result you want. So, your homework for this lesson is to take those three areas of your business that you've already identified. The one that's working really well, write out what that system is that works. The one that could work better, write out the system you're doing now and find the areas where you feel like you're wasting a lot of time. And let's see if we can come up with a system there. The area that's not working, it's time to develop a system if you don't have one. And if you do, it's time to really assess what is a new system that could work and make that flow